I said at the end of my last video, I will go through my thing. I'm not sure what you want me to call it. My thing. My document, I suppose. 7.1 and 1.7. Document. Documenting stuff that's happening. Steamboat Geyser. Eruptions of Steamboat Geyser. There's going to be an eruption at 6:37 a.m. tomorrow morning, Canberra time. 14:37 in Wyoming. And I said I'm going to go through my document. My DJ document. DJ Ming. No, it's not Lorenzo. Lorenzo is not the bad one. Anyway, Lorenzo is a fighter, a survivor, as a storm in the Atlantic in 2019. He's a survivor, a fighter. A strong boy, a masochistic boy, a masochist. That's Lorenzo. The bad one, the bad hurricane, is Gabriel. Gabriel's the sadist, and I don't mean that in a good way. Like, I don't mean kinky. I mean sadistic as in nasty. Really nasty. Dangerous. Horrifying. That's Gabriel. So that's where my car is up to. 17 is part of this. It's the number of minutes in the interval. The next eruption of Steamboat Geyser is happening after an interval of 8 days, I should say. 8 days, 7 hours, and 17 minutes. And it's going to be 14:37. It's now 17:38 in Canberra. There's a bird. Oracles. Birds are oracular. Did you know that?